What is going on, everybody? We've got a quick video for you guys. I want to introduce my lovely wife, Kelly. This is Kelly. So for this video, it's going to be super quick. What we want to do is we have been talking a lot of trash back and forth regarding whose vehicle is faster. Is it my 81 C10 or is it her 2017 Focus RS?
That one.
So we're going to talk about each car real quick in case you're new to the channel. I'm going to tell you about my truck, she's going to tell you about her car, and then we will get to racing. 1981 C10 Chevy short bed pickup. It is two-wheel drive. It has a 454 Big Block Chevy. It has an Edelbrock top end kit, T56 6-speed manual, and 410 rear gears. That's pretty much all you need to know. It's been converted to fuel injection, and it makes around 430 wheel horsepower on the dyno here in Salt Lake City.
The 2017 Focus RS. We haven't had much done to it. It has exhaust and an intake. It's a 2.3 liter turbocharged engine that has about 350 horsepower and 350 pounds of torque.
All right, so kind of initial projections. I think it should be relatively close. I don't know exactly what my truck weighs, but from a power to weight standpoint, I think I have a slight advantage. Her car is turbocharged and it is all-wheel drive. Now, I haven't had an issue with traction before, but we shall see. So we are going to actually be doing a roll racing event. This is not going to be a strict quarter mile. We don't have a quarter mile track near us. So we're going to get up to about 30 miles an hour and we'll have 1,000 feet of racing. So I really don't know. Kelly, what are your thoughts?
So I'm gonna win for sure.
Why do you think you're going to win?
Because I'm faster.
Okay, well, we'll see. I think this old truck's going to surprise us. Kelly thinks she's going to win. So let's get to the racing. Who won the race?
You did.
So what the camera doesn't show, and this is somewhat unfortunate, is we did race, I think, what, 3 or 4 times?
Yeah.
So we raced 3 or 4 times. This was kind of Kelly's first time roll racing, so I had a little bit of an advantage there. The video you saw was from our first race. The next 2 were pretty similar. The last race was super close. Unfortunately, the way we had the GoPro pointed, you really cannot see who won. You can just see her car because I never clearly pull in front of her. So we're not really sure. I tried to get some more angles for some other folks at the track, but unfortunately I wasn't able to get any footage. But I did go, we'll call it at least 3-0 with Kelly. I raced a first-gen Supra. I raced a turbo swap diesel truck, and I raced a 350Z, and I won every time. So the truck was a huge favorite. So I'm sorry that you're disappointed, Kelly, but
I lost every single time.
So I mean, Kelly, what are you going to do next?
I think I need a faster car.
So as you can imagine, losing to a 40-year-old truck was pretty demoralizing. My wife's been talking about how she wants a faster car for so long. And, you know, what in the world did you get here?
A faster car.
What kind of faster car?
The L1.
What year is this?
2017.
How many horsepower?
650.
How many foot-pounds of torque?
I don't know.
Also 650.
A lot.
Jeez. Well, as you can see, we've got a new addition to the channel here. Are we going to race these things again?
Oh, yeah.
So big shout out to Utah Motorsports Campus. I don't know when their next roll racing event will be. I don't think I'm going to do anything different to my truck. I'm going to bank off the fact that she misses a shift or doesn't know how to drive this thing or something. But you will see these 2 cars again, hopefully back out on the track. All right, Kelly, wrap it up for me.
All right, if you guys want to see more of what we're going to do to the CL1 and more roll races, please like and subscribe.
See you guys.